This week I am testing the new MG4. This is a fully electric 5-seater car. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. The child seat section of this review is brought to you by Versatility. In the back of the MG4, there are Isofix in the two outer rear seats. They're not within plastic guides, they're behind a big Velcro flap of seat fabric and nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages on the back of all three seat backs and they're easily accessible through the boot. Now, surprisingly, I could fit 3 Infosecure child seats in these back seats, which is fantastic news for families that need to. I have got the Infosecure Adapt More rear-facing capsule and the Infosecure Momentum More and Attain More forward-facing. Now, I found with the rear-facing Adapt More, we could fit about a 180cm driver in front or taller on the passenger side. To learn more about the child seats used in this video, just click on the link here. Storage in the back of the MG4 is good. On the back of both of the front seats there's a map pocket that will hold and conceal an iPad and 2 little pockets above them, great for popping a phone and things like that in. The door bins are good in the back here. They will hold a kid's sippy cup or bottle, but a refillable water bottle wouldn't fit. And in the back of the central console box there's a USB-C socket and a little pocket there for phones. There are no aircon vents in the back of the MG4, so you can't keep little ones in the back the right temperature while you're driving. Storage in the front is better. There are 2 cup holders down in the central console. They will hold a reusable or a disposable coffee cup, and behind them is a big storage tray with a retractable lid. In front of the rotary dial gears there is a phone charging pad, and you've got USB and USB-C sockets down underneath there too. The central console box is quite small. The glove box is a good size. That will hold my wallet and iPad with the manual, and the door bins are a better size in the front. They will hold a refillable water bottle and iPad. The media system in the MG4 is really lovely and easy to use and to navigate. It's very modern. You've got great things on this home screen like the weather, and you can see your battery range and for charging as well, which is fantastic. Now you can control the aircon through this screen. You have to do it through the media screen, which I'm not a huge fan of because it's quite difficult to use while driving along. You can control all the car settings through here, so all your sound and things like that, which is great. Now you have got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in here as well, which is fantastic. When you put it into reverse, the MG4 has really great cameras, and you can select which side, front, back or sides that you view from as well, which is fantastic. You've also got a 360 camera in here as well that you can put on just through this screen, and that's got really good visibility too. Also, when you come up to traffic lights and junctions, a surround camera comes on, so you've got really good visibility down the side of the car and around you as well. The boot of the MG4 opens manually. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 10 shopping bags, or a twin side-by-side pram and 1 shopping bag, a single pram and 1 shopping bag, or a compact stroller and 5 shopping bags, or a small dog. Our friends at Infogroup have also provided us with their new Jiffle Wagon, which is a versatile 6-in-1 stroller. Let's also see how well it fits in various configurations. The Jiffle Wagon in quick fold with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with no shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon in full fold with the Adapt More infant capsule installed into the car fits with 4 shopping bags. The Jiffle Wagon in full fold with its seat fits with 3 shopping bags. And the Jiffle Wagon cart fits with 2 shopping bags and holds up to 60 kilos of cargo inside the wagon. Thanks again to Infogroup for letting us test their new Jiffle Wagon. Now the MG4 here is one of Australia's 3 cheapest EVs on the market at the moment. And this one starts at $39,000 up to $56,000. It comes with 3 different batteries. This is the middle one with 450 kilometers. Then you've got the cheapest one with 350 kilometers, and the most expensive one with the largest battery of 530 kilometers. And it takes just 26 minutes to charge this one to 80% battery. The MG4 is a lovely little EV to drive. It's really nice and light in here, and visibility is really good all round, and you've got the camera in the media screen too. So parking is really nice and easy in school and supermarket car parks. The steering's really nice and light, and it's a small car. Now, you've got some tactile features in here that do make you think it's been built to a price. However, the steering wheel feels lovely in your hands, and it is a lovely, nippy little car for around town. To sum up with the MG4, it does make a great family 5-seater. Surprisingly, you can fit those 3 InfoSecure child seats across the back seats, which is fantastic news for families that need to. You can fit a twin pram or that Jiffle 6-in-1 wagon in the boot, which is fantastic news. The drive is good in here. It's nippy, it's got great battery range, and it's nice and light steering. The media system is great, and those cameras are really good.